Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into the world of professional NFTs with a look at Opensea Pro. Specifically, we're exploring https://pro.opensea.io, the platform designed for power users and serious NFT collectors. Opensea Pro provides a robust and feature-rich environment for navigating the NFT landscape. It's designed to streamline the trading experience for those deeply engaged in the market, offering advanced tools and functionalities not available on the standard Opensea platform. Think of it as the next level up, catering to high-volume traders, dedicated collectors, and anyone looking to maximize their NFT interactions. This dedicated platform offers a suite of features tailored for the professional NFT enthusiast. From bulk buying and selling tools to advanced analytics and a more personalized user interface, Opensea Pro is built for efficiency and in-depth market analysis. Whether you're flipping NFTs, building a significant collection, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, Pro unlocks a new dimension of possibilities. One of the key advantages of Opensea Pro is its sophisticated suite of analytical tools. These tools enable users to track trends, identify undervalued assets, and make more informed decisions. With real-time data and comprehensive market insights at your fingertips, you can gain a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of NFTs. Navigating to https://pro.opensea.io grants you access to this specialized platform. It's a must-explore resource for anyone serious about NFTs, offering a streamlined and enhanced experience compared to the standard Opensea interface. If you're looking to take your NFT game to the next level, Opensea Pro is definitely worth checking out. So, head over to https://pro.opensea.io and experience the future of NFT trading. It's a game changer for seasoned traders and serious collectors alike. Explore the platform, discover its powerful functionalities, and elevate your NFT journey today. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more insights into the exciting world of NFTs and beyond.